Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best pink birthday gift bag available. The 13-inch pink Happy Birthday gift bag by Powbrace. If you're looking for a stylish and practical way to wrap up your birthday presents, this gift bag could be exactly what you need. Right off the bat, the first thing you'll notice is the beautiful design. This bag features a vibrant pink background adorned with star elements that create a magical starry sky effect. The phrase, "Happy Birthday," is elegantly printed across the front, enhanced with gold stamping that adds a touch of sophistication and makes the bag stand out instantly at any party. Measuring 13 inches wide, 10.2 inches high, and 4.7 inches deep, this medium-sized gift bag is perfect for most birthday gifts. Whether it's a gift for men, women, friends, or colleagues, the size is versatile enough to hold a wide variety of items while still looking neat and presentable. One of the highlights of this set is that it doesn't just come with the gift bag alone. Included is a coordinating greeting card, matching tissue paper, and a gift tag, all designed to complement the bag's aesthetic. The ribbon handle adds a festive and refined touch, making carrying the gift effortless and elegant. The quality of the materials used is another aspect worth mentioning. The bag is made from high-quality, durable paper, which means it can hold heavier gifts without tearing or losing shape. Compared to ordinary gift bags, this one feels sturdier and more premium. It's even reusable, so after the birthday, you can use it for storing items or shopping, giving it a second life beyond just one occasion. What really sets this bag apart is how it balances practical durability with an original and tasteful design. The starry background and the gold stamping make it suitable for adults and anyone who appreciates an elegant gift presentation. The bag is simple enough to be used without extra decoration, yet beautiful enough to impress just as it is. This gift bag was designed with the thought that gift packaging reflects the value of the gift itself. A well-packaged gift leaves a great first impression and shows how much effort and care you put into selecting and presenting your present. Powbrace specializes in creating gift bags for all occasions, and this particular birthday bag perfectly captures that philosophy. To sum it up, if you want a birthday gift bag that's not just functional but also stylish and impressive, the Powbrace 13-inch pink Happy Birthday gift bag is an excellent choice. It comes complete with tissue paper, a greeting card, and a tag, making it a ready-to-go package. That saves you time and effort while elevating your gift's presentation. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Until next time, happy gifting!